Genome, much like the lab classes I took in high school, taught me to become very self-independent, self-reliant. Dr. King, he does explain things very well, but he's not there just to mouth feed you the stuff. You have to go through, read the lab manuals, make sure you're up to speed with what's going on in the class, just like in bioinformatics with Dr. Reinhardt. So it teaches you to become independent because that's how it is in science.
I'm particularly proud to see the progression coming in as very, they're nervous and they're not sure of themselves, but when they leave this course, they have become experts at their project and they take ownership and they're able to present this to their colleagues and to their peers at scientific conferences. And so seeing that progression is something that is really satisfying to see the student come in being very apprehensive, not being sure of themselves of what they're doing. But by the end of this course, they have mastered these skills, they're confident in what they've been doing, and they have a product to show. And in particular, when they take that electron microscope image, they're very proud of that, and they often post it on their social sites and so forth. So it's just a pleasure to watch that progression.
Well, just a little anecdote. We do a pretty good job at our introductory labs, but some of our students that were taking this research course at the same time they were taking their freshman biology labs would come back and say, oh, our students, my partner opened up the lab tip box, which are sterile, and pulled it out with their fingers. He's like, you don't do that. And so they're so far above as just the regular freshman experience because of I guess, the depth of their failures.
It's a great opportunity. I've learned a lot. It's really unique, and it is research because you're finding a new virus, and then you then sort its genome and see what it is, and it's really cool. And we have found its head protein, its scaffolding protein, and its tail protein so far. It's so exciting whenever it's like, oh, I know what this is, and I know what this is. It's like, this matches that. It's like, hey, I found something. This is so cool.
This class has really inspired me to do research. I really want to start research with some professors. It encouraged me to apply for NSF REU summer programs. And I'm actually going to the HHMI National Symposium in June, and that's really encouraged me to continue studying just research in general. I'm very curious.